Hi, it's Tommy again, the writer of the book of Explorational Journeys, Part 1 in the Self-Help Guide. We're continuing on with Chapter 2 with I Realize I Was Enough. With us still in the process of breaking free of comparisons. So with activity 6 is the social media detox. Goal: create a healthy relationship with social media to reduce comparisons. Step 1. Unfollow accounts that trigger self-doubt or comparisons. Step 2. Follow accounts that inspire self-acceptance and positivity. Step 3. Commit to screen-free hour each day to focus on activities that nurture your self-worth. Reflection: how does these limiting exposure to comparisons drive content impact your self and self-worth? So don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom. It would be great to hear from you.